Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your OKX wallet to MEMEFI coin. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open the MEMEFI coin in your Telegram wallet. So, once you are here, looking at the side of the screen at the right-hand corner, you're going to see the OKX icon. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on it just like this. The next step is to click on Check the Tasks. So looking here on the screen, you're going to see where it says Connect OKX app. What you need to do is go ahead and click on it. So once you click on that, it is going to direct you to your OKX app. So looking here on the screen, you're going to see where it says Connect Wallet right at the bottom of the screen. All you need to do is go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. Now looking on this screen is connected, which actually means that you've been able to connect your MEMEFI to OKX wallet. Now looking at the bottom of the screen, going to see where it says Confirm the transaction in OKX. It is going to direct you back to your OKX wallet. And looking here, this is what you're going to see right here is your SUI network, and that's the wallet address. So you can go ahead and click on it to copy it. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on Confirm. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. All you need to do is to click on Confirm. After that, you just have to enter your password. Now go back to your Telegram app. But before that, right here on the OKX. Now, when you scroll to the bottom clicking on this, you're going to see that I've actually connected AirDrop to this wallet. The first one here is the MEMEFI coin, and the second one is Yes coin. So let's go back to the Telegram app. So looking here on the screen, you're going to see that it says Transaction Sent, which actually means that you've been able to connect your OKX wallet to your MEMEFI coin. So that's basically how you can connect your OKX wallet to MEMEFI coin. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.